Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you something a little different. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. I have been using this platform for the past 5 to 6 months, and I've been seeing some impressive results. This is something that anybody can do. So this is the reason why I decided to wait and try it out for myself, so I can then share this with you guys. So without any further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video. Journey. Don't forget. This is something that I've been part of for the past 5 to 6 months. So, but even though it hasn't been that long, I have been able to see tremendous success and also profits along these months. And I'll explain how everything works. But I'm excited to share this with you because, first of all, I wanted to try it out for myself. And then once you know, I got to the point where I saw that this is something that actually works and anybody can do it while you work your 9 to 5 job. It was a no-brainer for me to go ahead and take the step forward and start sharing it with you guys. So just hang tight. I'm gonna go over a few things about this new platform. I don't know if you heard of it or you may not, but the name of this platform is Novatech. Okay, and just a little bit of a disclaimer here. I'm going to read this to you. So just bear with me here. The use of our information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that the company is not liable for any success or failure for your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, and services reviewed or advertised. All information contained herein shall be independently verified and confirmed. We do not accept any liability for any loss or damage whatsoever caused in reliance upon such information or services. Please be aware of the risk involved with any trading done in any financial market. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Trading cryptocurrencies as well as forex involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everybody, for anyone, for everyone. All users must be 18 years of age or older. Okay, now a little bit about the founders. There's three founders. We start with Reverend Cynthia Petion, which is the CEO, and then her husband Eddie Petion, which is he is the COO, and then we have Ricardo Roy. He's the Chief Technology Officer. Okay, this is basically the core of this brand new platform, which is um, you know something that started out about 3 years ago, and it has increased and grow exponentially. And if you want to know more about them, you can definitely look at their biography. You can look and do research about every single individual here. But I will go ahead and move on. And then here it says, who are we? Well, Novatech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC and boasts some of the industry's top leading professionals worldwide. Our products and services are backed by ATMs, crypto and debit card transactions, and the crypto and forex trading markets. Our executive staff contains over 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrencies, crypto and forex trading, professional networking, leadership and team building, software and project management, computer and network engineering, finance and education. Our trusted team of professionals can be heavily relied upon to deliver exemplary results to your online business. I mean, if you read through this, the list can go on and on. Definitely, this company. It has, it was built by great people with great history regarding to the whole. invest in blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and all that good stuff. Okay, live market trading. What we do. Novatech is a registered MetaTrader broker operating its own trading platform with one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. That basically what it means is that they are their own broker, which is awesome because they do not need to hire third party brokers, which means that they saved in those fees, and which that in turns compensates the investors. And as you learn more about Novatech, you'll know what I mean by that. What do they offer? Cryptocurrency and forex in the MetaTrader MT5 trading platform. They offer two products, which is a PAM account or an MT5 account. I'll go over those. Cryptocurrency payment gateway. Um, let's see here. What I mean by this is that third party payment gateway is excellent because it protects us as far as purchasing PAM accounts and also protects Novatech as well with third party verifications. Also, they offer an exclusive affiliate program that I will go over them eventually with you guys as we follow along. But I just want you guys to not to worry about and get confused about all this cryptocurrency and trading because I'm only going to focus in this presentation about this option here, PAM account. Okay, I'll go over that in a little bit and it will be very exciting because it's very easy. It's very easy for you to get going with this. Now, crypto and forex trading. Trading is the conversion of one currency for another. In the case of crypto trading, one can buy or sell a digital currency for another, like Bitcoin or altcoin. Cryptocurrency is a digital operating independently of a central bank. Okay, the foreign exchange market is a global decentralized market for the trading of fiat currencies. Fiat currencies are the government issue currencies like the US dollar, the British pound, the Canadian, the Japanese yen. All these currencies around the world are trading this forex exchange market. Okay, is one of the most actively traded markets in the world with an average daily trading volume of $5 trillion. This is where the money is. Okay, trading forex takes place 24 hours, 5 days a week, but it's closed on the weekends. And then crypto trading, it is 24/7. So that thing goes all day long and all night long. Novatech has um, professional traders worldwide. So that's why they're consistently trading all the time, and that's why they have been very consistent for the past 3 years in giving us steady, consistent returns. On the weekly basis. Now let's talk about the PAM account that I was mentioning before. The acronym PAMM stands for Percentage Allocation Management Module. What this basically means is that Novatech, you know, gives you these two options. You can either do the easy way, which is the way that I'm highly recommending. 99% of the people that watches this presentation are going to choose this option, but I'm sure that some of you guys already have some sort of experience and you are aware of how to do trading on your own. So if that's the case, then you can go and select that MT5 platform where you can download actually a demo account where there's no money involved, but and you can start trading to see how you can do that on your own. But if you select that option, Novatech is not going to go ahead and support you on that. You need to basically know how to do your own investments and tradings if you want to do that. But if you select the other option, the PAM account, the easy passive option, okay, this one, they will allow you and me and the average Joe out there to open an account with them. And then you will invest your money. They will invest they will invest the money for you. So let's say you open an account with $100, $1,000, or whatever amount it is. There will be no deposit, so you'll start that account with the amount that you started with, and they will invest it for the whole week. By the end of the week, by Friday, you will see your return on investments. In the past 3 years, solids will be averaging about 3%. Sometimes, obviously, it's lower, and some weeks it's higher. So, based upon how much your initial investment was, that's what you're gonna get by the end of the week. And now, the cool part about that is this is where the money. This is how you can compound and grow your money. This is something that I was amazed because Novatech will allow you to roll over that amount the same day, or you can withdraw it. That's really up to you. This is the cool part about that. Okay, that they will let you to withdraw your money if you want to, but they will also allow you to roll it over. So then you can start compounding your earnings, and this is how you start. It will start creating this passive recurring income on the weekly basis. This is very easy. Trust me on these guys. So live MT5 platform. That's again, if you know how to trade, then you can do your own trading. But if you're like me and you never traded before, I do not recommend that option. There is no experience needed with the PAM account. Very easy. They'll do everything for you. You collect the money and you roll it over. That's it. It's fully automated. They have an online support portal 24/7. Sometimes they can take 24 hours or longer to answer your questions, but you can definitely submit a support ticket and it's very easy. You can upgrade or cancel at any time, and this is also awesome because they will give you the flexibility to start your account, to get a taste for it, try it out, and if it doesn't work out for you, then you can withdraw your funds, and that's it, right? Okay, so I already talked about this live trading experience. They trade for you on the live global forex market. You can test your skills on our demo account and see what our professional traders do daily to ensure your financial success. Available for Windows, iOS, and Androids. That's really up to you if you know how to trade. Let me check here, making sure that I'm recording this for you guys. Track progress. This is beautiful because when you have your account set up, and I'll show you guys a little later. I'll show you my account. You'll be able to see the performance weekly of the week. Okay, and you'll be able to track it down. You'll be able to see how they did. In the examples here, this is actually a chart for like 2021, but it will be the same because I'll show you something current later on, and I'll go over that later. You'll be able to see the graphics there, the candle bars, and how all that works. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. Why Novatech is different among other companies out there or platforms out there? Well, there is no expiration dates. You can have your account set up. You can withdraw at any time. Okay, you can access to your capital, which is awesome. You start with $1,000. You start with $100. You start with $100,000. And if it's something that it doesn't work out for you, you can definitely withdraw, and you're good to go. I like that because from the moment you start making money, you can start withdrawing your money. But I'll suggest you to compound it so you can start incrementing or increasing your initial funds. But that's really up to you. No earning caps. You see, you can make 100,000, 200,000. You can make $1 million, and there is no earning caps. No withdrawal limits. Every week, if you want to withdraw your money, yes, you can. No problems there. No limits. Now I'm gonna go over this the trading packages. This is something that I want you to uh, think about when it comes to what would you like to do when it comes to your initial investment. The cool thing is that if you just want to test the waters, you can definitely select this builder package. This is only requires $99. That's it for you to get started. Okay, obviously everything is showing in dollar amounts, but you have to remember that is in the form of crypto. Okay, cryptocurrency. So before you're because this is a crypto hedge fund account, so before you start investing or trading, you need to have some form of a crypto wallet ready to go with the funds ready. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, you would like to start this account with $500. Let's just put it like this. Okay, you need to have your account, your crypto wallet account. I personally have Coinbase. I also open a Juno account. I don't know if you're familiar with those. There is Juno, there is Gemini. I mean, there is so many crypto wallets out there that anybody can open, and you can link that to your bank account, and then you can buy coins. All right. For you to be able to fund your account, you have four options. You can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and USDT. All right. Later on, I'll show you what option I chose. I actually use Litecoin, but it won't matter. But you only have those four options. Just keep that in mind. All right. So you need to have a crypto wallet with the funds ready when for the moment you start your registry account, because Novatech will only give you 48 hours. So let's say right now you start your account. You don't need any money. You start for free. You create your account, you have a username, you have your password, then you have access to your back office, which basically is going to look like mine. You'll see. Okay, now you only have 48 hours. If you don't fund your account within the 48-hour window, they will cancel your account. They will delete your account, and then you'll have to restart the process again. So keep that in mind. Okay, I want you to note that there is a 25 monthly fee. The 25 monthly fee, it's basically it's a fee that they will withdraw from your account automatically after 30 days of your initial investment. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, again, you start your account today with $500, right? They will not charge anything. Those full $500 are going to go to your PAM account, and Novatech is going to do the trading for you. And by the next following Friday, you will get your return on investment. 30 days later, they will take those 25 monthly fee. Sometimes you probably won't even notice, but just keep that in mind. 30 days later. Okay. So with the builder, bronze, and silver, and gold and platinum package, there is a 25 monthly dollar fee. Now, if you ask me, this is just my personal advice, start with the $500. Why? Because if you start with $99, if based upon how the market is been performing, if you put $100 and we'll be getting around roughly 3% back every week, you will make about $12 within that month. That will put you on a deficit because they will withdraw $25. So that will eat your money, right? It will put you on a red. If you have $500 and they'll withdraw your $25 monthly fee, that will put you on a green because obviously your return on investment is much higher. Keep that in mind. Obviously, if you add even more money, there is perks that and compensations and things like that where you can rapidly grow your your weekly returns. So those are those options. You can start with bronze, silver, gold, platinum. It's really up to you. I personally, when I started, no BS here, I started out with $100. And that's it. I started out with $100 about 6 months ago. It was in May of 2022. May something, May 12th, I believe. And that's it. I just wanted to see if this is actually legit. Okay, but I'll show you my account in screenshots and everything of my earnings. So now, if you start this account with $25,000 up to 99,000 $999, then you become a VIP investor. What this means is that you will still get your return on investments on the weekly basis, which obviously will be way more higher because now you have more money in your trading account. The benefit that includes is that besides your ROI, you won't have monthly fees. You won't have that $25 monthly fee. And also, they will actually give you a 1% cashback rewards. That, if you ask me, is pretty awesome. What they will do is that the 1% cashback rewards is on a monthly period, so on the monthly basis. So you will have to be actively trading your account for 30 days, for a whole month, with $25,000 or more. And by the end of the month, based upon the prior month. Let's say hypothetically speaking, you invest in $50,000, $60,000, and let's say right now, obviously, I'm recording this video in October, but let's say on you invested, you traded for a whole month, and in the month of um, September, October, let's say September, you made $10,000 in returns, right, for the whole month. They will give you an additional 1% on top of that, which is $100, but they will give you that month after month. And that will vary based upon how much you got in return for that month. That's another perk. I think if you ask me, that's pretty awesome. Now, let's go with the next level. This is President's Club. This is like, the top. This is for people that start the account with $100,000 plus. So, same example. On this one, instead of you getting 1% cashback rewards, you will actually get 2.5% cashback rewards. So, if we put the same, just to make it simple on math, the same example, let's say you make $10,000 in returns for the prior month, they will add an additional $250, okay, on your bonus. Now, this is get you bonuses, these cash rewards you get in pay on a Saturday. Okay, so you have your trading account, okay, and you'll get your return on investments on a Friday. But then these cashback rewards they will post it on a Saturday. But remember, it's monthly. It's after a whole month period. Okay. On top of that, they will give you a one-time gift card bonus of $1,000. That's it. It's a one time, but they will still give you $1,000 in the form of a gift card as a bonus. And there is no monthly fees. All right. So this is basically about the whole and what Novatech entails. This is the dedicated support portal where you can enter the questions, and if you don't find the answers, you can submit a ticket right here, and they'll take about 24 to 48 hours to answer. But then you'll be in great hands. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump into my account. I know you've been wanting to see my account here, and I will show you. All right, so after you start and open your brand new account, um, this is how what your back office is gonna look like. You have your distributor. This is your name. You're gonna have your own ID. You're gonna have your own enroll link, referral link. Okay, and this is awesome because this is something that, let's say you started out with $500 or so, and then you start seeing that you're getting money back every Friday, and you start compounding it every Friday. And 6 months from now to a year, you have like $7,000 or $10,000 extra, and you keep track of your earnings. Then you can prove to people. You can tell, hey, look at this. It has worked for me. It has worked for so many people. But then you have something solid that you can prove, and then they can sign under your referral link. And then what's going to happen? The Novatech is going to compensate you. Okay, they're going to give you a referral commission. But we'll touch on that later on, not today. I want you to actually just pay attention of the power of this platform and how you can compound your interest and maximize your earnings. Okay, so this is your account, this is your menu. If you start building teams, you'll have access to every single person. I'll create more videos eventually how you can go about it in strategy and how you can build a team and create legs and how you can maximize and scale your Novatech account. Here's where you go for funding. Here's where you go for performance reports, and I'll show you that. So here's what I wanted to show you as far as when I first started until this day today. Okay, so here is you see this chart here. This is where it shows basically, my account. And you'll see that it says bonus account and trading account. So your bonus account is basically the result or your return on investment for the week. You'll see this posted on a Friday. Every single Friday, you'll be able to see how much you made out of your initial deposit. Now, this is May 20, but I opened this account in May 12, and I think I started with $100, and then I threw a little more. But for the sake of this video, you'll see here that it says my actively trading account is only $250. And I only got about what? Pretty much nothing, right? $1.49, and that varies, depends of how well the performance was for the week. Okay, we can always try to find it and track it down, but maybe it was close to 3%, maybe a little lower, something around there. So that's around May 20th. And then if we go to, let's see this one. This one, what date is this? This is, it doesn't really show me the date, but as you can see now, I added more money. I started noticing that on the weekly basis, I was getting, some commissions, some return on investment. So what I figured that the more I have, the more I would make, right? So I picked up this account to $1,394. And so for that Friday, I made 42 and $48 doing nothing. And that's the beauty about this. It may doesn't seem like that much, I get it, but once you multiply that times four for the month, and then and you see the potential in one whole year doing nothing just by rolling over your return on investments is a no-brainer. It's very easy to do, very easy to do. Okay, so let's see on the next one. 1,411. You see how my account is increasing more and more. Let's see here. Okay, so on this one it says July 7, 2022. Look at my account. It's 1,566. This is what I actively have on my trading account, and this is what I made that bonus for that specific week. $51 out of 1,500. That's not bad at all, right? And this is doing nothing. Again, doing nothing. All right, so let's move to the next one. Let's say it says July 15. Um, Okay, now you see a big jump here of 3,412. The truth is that I had money on my Acorns account, and I had money sitting on my Gemini account, and some money on Coinbase. This is money that it was just sitting there that I was not actively trading, just because I have to be honest with you, I'm lazy about sitting down and looking at the market and finding the right timing when to trade or not. So once I found out about Novatech, I said, you know what, this is working for me. I'm gonna pull out all the money and I will transfer it to my Novatech account. So out of my pocket, I invested around 2,700, 2,700, I believe. Everything else that I had made has been purely profits. Okay, so you see, out of 3,412, I make $86. Every time I'm getting closer now to $100, which is pretty awesome. On the next one here, let's see. 3,499, and now my bonus is 111 $111 with 67 cents. Amazing. Next one, July 5th, this is an older one. Let's see, August 19, 3,972. My bonus account was $112 for that week. That's not bad at all. And what I do, I grab that money and add it on my trading account. I keep rolling it over. And then we have a trading account of $4,084, and my bonus account was $123. Beautiful. Next one, October 2nd, 4,776. My bonus account was $161.88. So I grab it, I roll it over. Let's see on the next one, 4,776, bonus account 157. Next one, this one, if you look at it, it's actually October 7th. I don't know why I put October 6th, but my trading account is $4,937, and my bonus account for the week was $159 with 58 cents. Now, I'm going to hop up, I'm going to go over my account and I'm going to show you what I have currently, so you can have an idea of where I'm at right now as October 14. Okay, I'm back on my back office here with Novatech, and I'll show you what my account is looking like. As of October 15, 2022, it shows that my trading account is $5,182. Now, when we look at that $5,182, okay, and we go back to here, this. Even if we go back to where I invested, right? About $2,700. And then we look at the earnings. $5,182 is amazing. You can do that. Anybody can do this while you work in your 9 to 5 job. Amazing, hard to believe, but I've been doing it and I have proofs. That's why I'm showing this to you. You need to get your hands on this system, on this platform. You need to start. If you don't have a crypto wallet, I encourage you, highly encourage you to open one. Open one with Novatech. I'm sorry, open one with Coinbase, open one with Juno. I mean, this is something that you need to start doing because if you look back 3 years from now, you're gonna have a lot of money. Okay, and on my next follow-ups, I will send you an email with a video that I have of how I play with numbers, where we can foresee in the next 3 years how we can get up, well, how the strategy of how we can hit up to $1 million. Okay, I know it's hard to believe because things fluctuate, markets always fluctuate, but if Novatech has been very consistent for the past 3 years. Okay, so if we continue with the same uh, average as far as returns on the weekly basis, you can hit $1 million in the next 3 to 4 years. But I will show you how you can go about that. So always stay tuned with the emails that I'll be sending to you. But first and foremost, you need to start and open your brand new Novatech account. So I will send you the link. I will send you an enrollment link. I will send you this link. You need to enroll and you need to get going. All right, don't waste time. You can start with only $100. If you don't want to start with $500, I understand that, you know, things happen in life and we all struggle financially. I'm not an exception. And obviously, I'm not showing you millions here. But hey, I started in May. This is something, this is proof that this is going to double in the next 5 months. But this is what I'm doing. I'm going to add even more money. I have my job, I have other things going on. So I'm going to grab money from it and keep adding it to this account so I can get more return on investments and I can start even compounding my weekly earnings, returns on investments in actually 10x it if it's possible in less than a year. All right. So this is basically it, guys. I hope you are very excited like I am. This is something that not that many people are aware of. Novatech is being in the biz and is killing it for the past 3 years. And if you get your hands on this platform now, today, this is what's going to happen. Look what I'm doing right now. I'm spreading this throughout the web. Okay, and I want you to think about what I'm doing. I'm building my teams. I am building my legs. All right, and I'm not going to spread out too thin. I'm going to have a very strong foundation. And if you start and you enroll now, you'll be at the top. Okay, and then I'll be adding people. I will plan it strategically. I will build my team, and then you will also get commissions from the people that are going to be underneath you. I'll be sending you more emails about videos on how to do all these things, so you don't feel that, if you get all confused about how this works. But before I go, let me go over the performance report so you can see that real quick here. Okay, and this is another thing. This is super exciting because Novatech will allow you to check out your performance reports on a weekly basis. Today's day is October 14. I think this one goes back to, yeah, October 14. And this is what we hit for this week. I mean, 2.14%. Okay, here on the left, these are the profits and loss. This is where you can see, this is the times that we get paid. And you can see that in some weeks we hit about 2.3. Some weeks we go up higher, up to 4.1. This week was, I think, around July 1st, so something like, if I remember correctly, we hit about 0.65%, a very, very low week. And then it went up to 4.03, and then we kind of went down to 2.14, which is this Friday. Now, if you kind of like do the numbers and you average out, we're close to 3%. This is what I'm telling you that is very strong. So when you do the math and you look at the monthly performance right here on the right hand side, these are the candle bars. You see, in some months are very low, about 7.7, and that also depends on how many weeks you have for the month. So you have to also see about that. On this month of June, 16% is amazing. In July, 13%, not bad at all, because that tells you about, we average up close to 3%. August, 15.9, amazing. October was low, 5.4 so far, but the month obviously is not over yet. But if you go to September, 12.3, excellent. So when you scroll down, you look at the past performance, October 7, look at the year, the current year, 3.26% of that week. September 30th, 2022, 3.3% back for that week. September 23rd, 2022 is 2.78% back for that week. September 16th of this year, 3.08% back. September 19th of 2022, 3.1%. And look, the numbers, they don't lie. They're right here. This is hard proof. Okay, you can keep scrolling down and see look at the earnings. Look at the earnings. It's amazing. Look at this. July 1st, it was awesome. 4%. So imagine 4% out of $5,000, 4% out of $10,000, 4% out of $25,000. You see, this was the power of these return on investments of this platform. It's just all right, guys. So there you have it. So I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help and answer them as they come. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Remember that your subscriptions means a lot to me. So this only gets me more energy to keep coming back with more videos as far as different ways to make money online. So without any further ado, guys, I hope I see you on the next one. You take care now. Bye.